Let's talk about some of those experiments done to prove that the Earth is not a round ball spinning in space, but is in fact a flat, stationary surface. Samuel Burley Rebotham lived from 1816 to 1884, who went by the nom de plume of Parallax. In 1881, explained the principle in his book, Zetetic Astronomy, Earth, Not a Globe. He wrote, if the Earth is a globe and is 25,000 English statute miles in circumference, the surface of all standing water must have a certain degree of convexity. Every part must be an arc of a circle. From the summit of any such arc, there will exist a curvature or declination of 8 inches in the first statute mile. Okay, 8 inches in the first statute mile. In the second mile, the fall will be 32 inches. So 8 in the first, 32 in the second. In the third mile, 72 inches, or 6 feet, as shown in the following diagram. So, in the first mile, you would have 8-inch drop. In the second mile, you would have a 32. And in the third, you would have a 72-inch, or 6 feet. That's the stature of a whole man. In Cambridge County, England, there is an artificial canal called the Old Bedford. It is approximately 20 miles in length. Rebotham arranged to have a boat with a flag on it that was exactly 5 feet above the surface of the water. The boat was rowed to Welney Bridge, which was exactly 6 statute miles in a straight line from Rebotham. 6 statute miles, okay? It was exactly 6 statute miles away, so there should have been an even more significant drop. Rebotham stood in the middle of the canal with a telescope, exactly 8 inches above the surface of the water. In looking through the eyepiece of the telescope, and observed the receding boat during the whole period required to sail the Welney Bridge. The flag and the boat, he wrote, were distinctly visible throughout the whole distance. If the earth were spherical, as it is supposed, the flag should not have been visible to Rebotham. The boat and the flag should have been 11 feet, 8 inches below the horizon, as depicted in the diagram below. So here we have Rebotham with the telescope. So on a curvature Earth, he should have not been able to see the boat and the flag. It should have been this. The visibility should have been water. Instead, he was able to see the boat and the flag the entirety of the experiment. Instead, Rebotham was able to see the flag and boat for the entire 6-mile journey in the canal, all the way to the bridge, as depicted in the diagram below. The fact that Rebotham was able to see the flag and boat for the entire 6 miles proves that the Earth is flat. Rebotham did many similar experiments at the canal that all proved that there was no curvature of the Earth. And this is the math according to the science of globular Earth. So that's just one experiment. Let's dig deeper tomorrow.